Charging issues are fairly common with Oral-B electric toothbrushes, especially after a few years of use, but most problems can be fixed without replacing the brush. Start with a power reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds, then place the toothbrush on the charger and leave it there for up to 24 hours. This alone fixes a large number of minor charging glitches. If that doesn't help, move on to cleaning the charging contacts. Use 70% or higher isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean both the metal contact on the toothbrush handle and the charging dock. Let everything dry completely before testing again. Dirt, toothpaste residue, and moisture buildup are one of the most common reasons charging fails. Next, inspect the charging base itself. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or visible damage. If the dock is faulty, replacing it is usually far cheaper and far more effective than replacing the entire toothbrush. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely the internal battery, especially on older models. Battery replacement requires opening the sealed handle and soldering, so professional repair is recommended unless you have experience. To prevent future problems, keep the charging base away from water, clean the contacts monthly, and remove the brush from the charger once it's fully charged.